Hello viewers, today we will tackle a couple things here. First thing, we will make a variable to count how many enemies are spawned in. Then when they are all destroyed, the player will be sent to the next level. With that, let's grab that cogwheel and open the variable tab. Remember that block counter from last episode? This is the variable we will work with. Just set it to deck and set the value to 0. Then copy the name here. Once that is completed, let us create a new text actor. I will name mine block count. Just remember to paste the variable name we copied and place the dollar symbol before the variable name viewers. So once we have the text actor set, let us place it on our screen. Leave it visible also. You are using this at the moment for developmental reasons. Now I know I am doing this on this type of character, our block, yet I assure you this will work on all NPC characters. Once we set it where we wish, we will grab our original block and open its blueprint. What we need to do is set a count for each enemy/block that is created when the gameplay starts. So let's set up another when this actor is created rule. We will use the response, modify the value of a variable. Tap the None tab, set the type to deck, then set the variable name, the value is 1. Then check off the box at relative to current value. Now that the count for the enemy/NPC is set, let's go into the collide with laser bullet rule. Just scroll down and add a response. The response will be modify the value of a variable. Select the None tab and set the type and name accordingly. Then set the value at -1. Next, make sure that relative to current value is checked off. This needs to be selected to work. Now let us grab the original rule of when this is created and add a response in between here, viewers. Scroll down and select the very first coin flip option response and then select insert a response before. That response is, you got it, modify a value of a variable. Again, this is extremely repetitive. We will place the same logic here as the laser bullet. Type deck, name, and the value of -1. Once again, check the relative tab off here. Okay, this looks complete. Let's test this and see, viewers. If all goes well here, we copy this logic to the other blocks. I won't explain that yet since it was recorded. I will speed up the video to the end of that point. With that, let's now run this to see if our first block responds as we wish it to. So as we can see, the blocks are counted off the bat here, viewers. And you can see the counter subtracting as the block is destroyed. Beautiful. It hit 0 with no freakouts or glitches. Now to copy this logic over to the other blocks. Like I stated, I did record it, so instead of cutting it out, I will speed it up. This seems to work best when coded with the original build, yet my focus is on showing how this functionality works. This needs to be implemented wisely, or it will act wacky at some point. Just have it implemented when the enemy is fully destroyed. Just about finished here, viewers. Then double check and run a playthrough and see if it works. It does look all good from here. Let us see. Hit that play button. I will dead the sound and fast forward this too. We want to check that all blocks respond to our logic. And that they do, just fine. One more thing here, viewers. That would be our text actor. That logic is the brains of all this, to be honest. So let's create a rule when this is created. We will need the repeat n times response and set that to the fastest time after tapping the minus tab. We will then need to see if a condition is met. So let us scroll down and grab that, then see if a variable meets a condition tab. Let us set the variable as we usually do. Type is deck name is the counter variable, then see if it equals 0. If it does equal 0, let's send the player to another level. I just duplicate this card and change the colors. First thing first, let's stop all sound so it does not travel over to the next card. The next response will be send a player to a different / another card. This is where the level switch happens. I will grab my duplicated card and set it. I believe this is complete. Let's test this, and do not forget, this logic can be used anywhere on any enemy. So I will hit play and let it rip. Once again, I will speed up the video here. Watch the counter. And it works as intended. Counter works and level switch happens, and there you go. How to switch levels. Just another variable logic. Variables create the magic. Anyway, viewers, until next time, happy gaming and thank you so much. Hope you all enjoyed. Have a pleasant one, viewers.